Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you class 5A and B? Today we are going to start our new chapter. We are going to study your new chapter with teacher Habiba. This chapter name is making presentations interesting. How can we make our presentations interesting? In the previous video we have a thorough and long discussion about the PowerPoint. In the previous classes we have discussed about the PowerPoint is used to make presentations. So how can we make um, our presentations? The main thing we have to add to our presentations is the slides. How can we add the slides, different slides? There are more than 4 methods we have read so far, or we have practiced so far in the online classes that are used. The first one is office themes. We can change our slides by office themes. Second thing is duplicate selected slides. Third thing is slide from online, to take a slide from online. And the fourth thing is reuse the already made slides. Let's see how can we make it. In PowerPoint, it is so usual that we have to make a new template. For office themes we have to take one slide, right? So I can make this slide my basic first slide. To change it, using our office theme means this Microsoft Office which is presenting us the PowerPoint. So uski themes hum kaise le sakte hain? How can we take those themes? So these are the themes, basic themes of PowerPoint. Here you can scroll down to get more themes. This is a feathery looking. Here basic themes we can use to type our text on it, right? These are the basic themes. And after selecting one, so if I have selected this, how can I add different colors? Here, these colors to my themes. My theme can change its color. It cannot only be black and white or something like that. It can be whatever I want it to be. Okay? Red, yeah, red, orange. Orange, red, yellow, orange, yellow, orange, yellow, green. Okay? So these could be our slides which we can use. If we go drop down its own, so what kind of font we want to use on this? The default font will be, I want it to be the Times New Roman, right? Third thing is effect. Effect can be given to it in any direction, from any direction, right? It will give it a glossy look, and I can make it, I can change this thing also. ये ये वेरिएशंस भी हम इसमें डाल सकते हैं. The last thing is the format background. फॉर्मेट बैकग्राउंड जो है वो अब इस स्लाइड का ये भी हो सकता है सॉलिड फिल में हम कोई भी कलर फिल कर देंगे इसके अंदर, और वो मैं कलर यहाँ से सिलेक्ट करूँगी. ठीक है, ये कर देते हैं. सॉलिड फिल में वो कलर आ गया. ग्रेडियंट फिल में वही इफेक्ट की बात होगी, फ्रॉम सेंटर टू साइड्स, लीनियर और radial, rectangular path, shade from title, whatever it could be. Radial दिखते हैं. Radial would be in circular uh, portion, circular method. Then it comes picture or texture fill. Picture or texture fill में क्या आएगा? There can be a picture between behind the screen or at the background, or otherwise I can take a texture. If I need this texture to be done, इसके ऊपर मैं डबल क्लिक करूंगी, रीचेक टेक्सचर आ जाएगा, right? Pattern can also be filled. Pattern देखिए, so this is the main color और इसके patterns भी given है here. So whatever I want to make from it, ये एक तरफ की zigzag lines है, ये थोड़ी साइज में बड़ी है zigzag lines, और इसके बाद हम ये सारा कुछ करने के बाद हम इसको अप्लाई टू ऑल भी कर सकते हैं और रीसेट बैकग्राउंड भी कर सकते हैं. रीसेट पैन हम वी डोंट नीड एनीथिंग टू बी चेंज्ड इन आवर स्लाइड. ठीक है बच्चों? So this was the thing which we have studied till ये first thing थी, to make your slides designed regarding your office themes. ठीक है? It can be brought to your slides by clicking on the design tab, then themes, variants, and format background. Format background has been ended, and now we are going to home. Home में new slide लिए हमें काफी time हो गया है. We should go to our home. Here we are going to make new slide. For making new slide, there is a very easy way. The first way is just click on number 1 slide and press new slide. A new slide will be there, right? Other procedure is, if you want to copy the same slide, then down arrow will take us to here. Duplicate selected slide or slides from outline, or reuse slides. Duplicate action selected slides, we will get it. Okay, so I have got one more slide like it was earlier there. ठीक है जी. Second procedure is also done, that duplicate. How can we take the duplicate slides? The third procedure is slides from outline, that is not explained in our book, and I don't think so that we should follow that. It's just a top tip here in your book on page number 72, which I can read. The slides from outline option is an option in which you can use an outline of the slides created in Word. Each line created by pressing enter on a page will from the header to new slide. If you want 2 or more lines on the same slide, then use shift plus enter. Right? Okay, the last procedure by which we can make our own slides is reuse slides. For reusing slides, we will get a path. A dialog box will come here again. We'll use this file browser to browse whatever we want to browse, or any background picture for our slide. So browsing will take us to any directory or file where we can get new slide. So I'm going to the slides folder of mine, where I have made many slides. So I will bring this. Okay, I want to add this slide. I'll click on this slide and get it out of it. ठीक है जी? It's just an example that how can I put it on my screen. It can be this slide also. Done? So in this way, I'm going to import already made slides in the new slides. in the new presentations. I can use the same slides which I made for, suppose class 3 and class 4 are supposed to be having same lessons, or their method is same. Suppose when I was in the right in the beginning of the year, class 4 and class 5 were having a topic of output and input devices. Printer was same, output and input devices were same. So I used the printers slides from one class to the other, right? So I can change these things in this. Okay, in next video we shall discuss more about